Your home's front door is more than just an entry point. It's one of the first details visitors and passers-by notice. In Richland Hills, where neighborhood aesthetics and home pride run strong, upgrading your entryway can instantly enhance your property's charm and value. Here's how a door replacement can give your home a fresh, inviting look while delivering practical benefits. A fresh first impression. The front door serves as the centerpiece of your home's exterior. An old, weathered, or outdated door can make even the most well-kept property appear tired. By replacing it with a new, stylish option, you immediately signal care and quality to neighbors, guests, and potential buyers. From sleek modern panels to classic wooden designs, today's door styles offer a range of finishes, colors, and accents to match your home's architecture and personality. Color and style that stand out. One of the easiest ways to boost curb appeal is through color. In Richland Hills, homeowners are embracing bold, eye-catching shades like deep red, navy, or even cheerful yellow to create a focal point. Alternatively, a timeless stained wood door exudes elegance and warmth. Modern manufacturing also allows for a variety of textures, decorative glass inserts, and trim details, so you can create a customized look that reflects your style while enhancing your home's overall character. Improved energy efficiency. A new door isn't just about looks, it's also a chance to improve your home's comfort and efficiency. Older doors often develop gaps, warps, or cracks, which let in drafts and force your HVAC system to work harder. Replacing your front door with a modern, insulated model can help maintain consistent indoor temperatures and lower your energy bills, making your upgrade both attractive and cost-effective. Enhanced security features. An updated entry door can significantly improve your home's security. Many of today's doors are built with reinforced materials, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass. This means you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your family and belongings are better protected, all while elevating your home's exterior appearance. Boosting home value. In the competitive real estate market, small exterior upgrades can make a big difference. A stylish, high-quality door can raise your home's perceived value and attract more buyer interest. In fact, door replacements are often cited as one of the highest return home improvement projects, making them a smart investment whether you plan to sell soon or stay for years. Low-maintenance material. Today's exterior doors are designed to withstand the elements with minimal upkeep. Materials like fiberglass and steel resist warping, rotting, and fading, perfect for the Texas climate. This means your door will continue looking fresh and appealing for years without constant painting or repairs. Personalizing your entryway. Beyond replacing the door itself, this is the perfect time to update surrounding elements for a complete transformation. Consider pairing your new door with upgraded hardware, side lights, a stylish doormat, or fresh landscaping. These finishing touches can amplify the effect and make your home stand out in the neighborhood. Final thoughts. Replacing your door in Richland Hills is a small change with a big impact. It can transform the way your home looks, feels, and functions, offering aesthetic upgrades, better efficiency, improved safety, and lasting value. Whether you opt for a modern statement piece or a timeless classic, a new entry door will help your home make the right impression every time someone walks up to it. If you want your property to reflect pride, warmth, and style, a door replacement might just be the perfect first step.